Are you having fun?
What?
Are you having fun?
Maybe.
Why, maybe?
We're making fun. Baby, my answer.
Zoe, what did you say? Ay!
I'm scared. Don't worry. That's okay. Move your hand up.
Wilha, you're not gonna get off yet.
No.
Okay, Zoe, that's enough now.
Yeah, baby.
Please.
So much fun.
I know. But that's enough, please. Look at the traffic outside, though. Whoa! Look at the traffic outside.
How come